Hi, welcome to Piney Edge, and today we're making sprouts. Today we're using alfalfa seeds. We're going to use 2 tablespoons into a glass jar with 2 cups of water. Now you're going to want to make sure you're using spring water, well water, or even distilled water, but don't use city water because of the chlorine. Make sure you're using a mesh lid. I got this at the local health store. Keep it in a dark area for about 6 to 12 hours, like overnight. You'll see it's kind of amber water coming out. Go ahead and just rinse that off. Make sure you're rinsing it twice a day. Rinse it good. That keeps any type of mold from forming. You're going to want to put it upside down at an angle like this. I just use a box, and you'll see it start sprouting. Day 2, and then there is day 3. Starting to look a little more exciting. Keep rinsing it. Be vigilant day and night. It's almost ready, guys. It's day 4. Bam! Look at this. Day 5. Beautiful, healthy greens to eat. You can feed yourself, or if you got chickens or animals, you can feed them too. Enjoy.